So we decided to go composable mostly after checking everything we did in the past. We had a lot of growth because of COVID. We're selling outdoor stuff, so we had a lot of growth, but we got feel kind of stuck into like what we're using at the moment. Kind of a monolithic app. We're using Shopify, and it's great to go fast when you're like a small medium business. But then when you want to have like the best journey possible for your customer, you kind of really uh, stuck inside like a very specific frame. So then you start to hack and hack and hack. So at the end comes very, very difficult to pin that background. So that's why we decided to go composable. So we kind of just dismantle like what Shopify was giving us. So there's the catalog, there's the payment processing part, the search engine, all that kind of stuff. So that's why we say let's go composable, and we just like break it down. So we partner up with a company called Orion. So they really uh, help us mostly define what we want, find out like the best of breed of these each of those like components, and yeah, like from there, like we got on board. We had a team working with them, and from there after that, they help us deliver the storefront in like not even 6 months. It went super super fast. Then we continue to just add pile up features over features using other tools like Fluent for everything related to order management. We're partnering up also with the Shopify personal app for everything related to shipping, for discounts, loyalty system. So yeah, we're just like starting to put more platform to the ecosystem, and now we're really starting to see what's coming up. So Mac is hard. It's not as fast as it goes at first, but then when you put all the pieces together, yeah, it's cool. It's starting to really show off. You're really gaining like a velocity that you don't even think it's possible. You gotta get an idea from the stakeholder, say, "Oh, I'd like to do this," like, and by default, it might take like a month or two. Like, no, if we do this, this, and that, no, like a sprint could be done, and actually sometimes it take even less than a sprint. So this is where it really pay off.